learned one thing tying all the people questioned together is where they lived at one time in their lives. No one has actually been charged for the murders of those 6 family members in Wilkinsburg as of yet. In fact, investigators here had to reach back to 2013 for a case to bring them all in for questioning, but it is clear they're getting closer to filing charges in that massacre. We now know investigators believe the people responsible for the massacre may be part of a gang centered on the Homewood North housing complex. It goes by the name the Hilltop Moeller Crew. Records show Robert Thomas once lived there, and he's the only person named publicly as a suspect in the shooting. Thomas was arrested this week along with Justin Gomez and Ashley Smith on weapons and drugs charges stemming from a 2013 search at this home on Hill Avenue in Wilkinsburg. Thomas's lawyer, though, told us he was not involved.
My client's position and my position since day one that he is innocent of any wrongdoing in those killings.
Police haven't said whether they suspect Gomez or Smith had anything to do with the attack, but they were both allowed to bond out of jail. One man we know investigators are looking at is Sharon Shelton. He's been questioned twice about the shooting and was also charged for that 2013 case. Investigators also appear to be using evidence from that 2013 search as they look for the killers. This week they tested heroin found in the apartment 3 years ago, and they plan to carry out touch DNA tests on the guns seized that day. And both Shelton and Thomas are in jail right now. Neither of their lawyers would speak to us today about their cases. Reporting live at Allegheny County Police Headquarters, Bob Hazen, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.